Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So this is a no contact, no communication reading for Leo. So this is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what the cards have for you. The cards are already shuffled. So now let's see what are the messages currently coming in a no contact situation. Okay. So let's see what is the current energy of this connection. Okay, so the current energy here, I feel this is probably your energy or it can be your person's energy as well. Okay, so see how it resonates. So I think you are, you are kind of happy with what you have achieved. You are like, I have everything. I have achieved everything in my life. I don't need anybody. I don't need anybody in my life. I am, content in my own. I have my own company kind of thing. And, it's like, मैं मेरे लिए काफ़ी हूँ, राइट? सो इट्स दैट इज़ द एनर्जी आई फील right now. But at the same time, I do feel you are kind of hiding your emotions under all the materialistic thing you have achieved. Okay, so that is also somewhere I'm feeling, because you are not afraid of showing to the world what you have achieved, but at the same time you are having some spiritual support also, but you are somewhere kind of keeping everything on the top of your emotions. Okay, so that is also the energy I'm seeing. Okay, now let's see what are the person's thoughts for you. What is the person thinking of you there you are not in contact with? Okay, Four of Cups. So let's see. I think the person here is mainly focused on, yeah, so mainly I think the person is focused on what they do not have in their life. Instead of appreciating what they have, what opportunities are being offered to them, instead of focusing on that, they are kind of focusing on what they have, what is the lack in their life. Even if they have reached to a certain height, they have all the emotional support, they have all the all the things, like be it relations, be it materialistic growth, everything. They have everything, but they are being too closed off to see the opportunities being offered to them by the universe, and they are focusing on lack, somewhere kind of being, I do not have this, I do not have that, or why this always happens to me, kind of a complaining zone I feel right now. That is what they kind of think about this situation or this connection, right? This is what I think they are mainly focused on. Instead of being thankful and grateful for what is being offered to them, they are closed off, not ready to take the opportunity, and focusing on the lack or the missing thing in their life, which I don't see there is any. Okay, let's see what does this person feel for you, my dear Leo. Okay, so the person here is mainly, trying to take control of you, trying to take control of the materialistic thing you have, and it is somewhere I feel the person wants, to you to tell them everything you are up to. Okay, that is somewhere I feel this person's energy is, because see, they are, they are holding on tight, they are holding on to things, they have blocked their heart chakra, like they are not ready to be thankful for what they have, as it was showing here. And also that they are holding on things tightly, they want to be in a, possessive person. They want the person, like, if you are mine, you are only mine, you are not supposed to do anything without telling me, kind of energy I'm feeling. This person basically wants to have a complete control over you and your belongings, mainly the materialistic thing which I feel. And they are not too much into emotions, but more into the practicality. Okay, that is what I feel. Their main concern for you right now is to, kind of have an update on everything about you, and how to get control of what you have or what you have achieved, or control over you, maybe, right? Okay, now let's see why are they gone silent, why are they not reaching out? Okay, so I see here there can be, there can be this thing, like they might be having other options. There can be a third party where to whom they are giving more importance, and that is why they are not reaching out. Or also I think they are mainly focused on their own growth, their personal growth, their own needs, their own goals, and not giving that much of importance to the relation right now. Or there is also an energy I feel like they might somewhere try to get into touch with the common connection, like the mutual connection between you and them. Okay, that is also somewhere I feel. But they are, there are mostly, the chances are there might be another person involved. They might be meeting up other people also. That is also the energy I feel. Okay, this can be your energy also, like given you are, happy with everything you have achieved, so you want to meet other people and share your, achievements, goals, everything with others. This can be your energy, but mainly I feel this person's energy who is not in contact with you, that they are having other options. There may be a third party situation, and they are mainly focused on their own growth. Okay, now let's see what is blocking this connection. Okay, so I think here, there is this thing of one person is looking for reconciliation and other person is trying to move out of the situation, and that is why the connection is blocked, because there is no mutual energy from both the sides, right? There is difference of manifestation. Basically, the connection is common, but one person is looking for something else and another is looking for something else. So that is why this connection is kind of blocked here. But I think if you want to look into your growth, you need to see. So here I think, sorry, there was some background noise. So here I think there is, this connection that one person is looking for something else and another is looking for something else. But I think your energy is, if you want to grow in your life, you can, focus on your own, ultimate goal. If you want to move forward, if you want to come out of this stuck situation, just take that leap of faith and move ahead. Because see, it's a number one is a new beginning also, right? So you have everything you want to achieve in your life, but at the same time you need to make the best of it, right? So just surrender to the universe, listen to your intuition. If you want to come out of this situation and you want to meet people, speak to new people, collaborate with others, you can definitely do that. But you need to come out of this stuck situation by being very clear on what you want. Take action and listen to your intuition and take action. Okay, now let's see what is the move, if any, by 1 to 2 weeks from now the person is going to take, if any. So I think the person may try to reach out, but after trying to make a balance between what has happened. Okay, they might reach out slow, but after a proper planning, a proper analyzing the situation, trying to create a balance between what they want and what you want. So there is a slow movement, but you can expect, this is not a yes or not a no card, it is a maybe card. So there may be some communication happening, but at the same time, it will be, if it is happening, it will be very slow. And I would say that is a good thing, because you both need some time to understand your emotions, understand what you both want in this connection, and move forward accordingly. Now let's see what is the advice for you, Leo. Okay, 3 of Swords. So you need to first get yourself free from all the wounds, all the pain, all the heartbreak, all the whatever has happened with you. You need to come out of that. You need to heal yourself first and then move forward. Because see, if you will not heal yourself, you will never get that peace in any connection, right? So you need to heal yourself first. You need to come out of that emotional pain. You need to fill your heart with self-love. So for that, you can obviously pamper yourself, do things what makes you happy. Okay, so you need to come out of this wound, this pain first, and only then it is good for you to get into a relation. Because if you are wounded, if you do not have love, you won't be able to offer love to others, right? That's a very simple thing. So you need to heal your wounds. You need to help yourself out first, and then you can look for a next thing. So that's the general reading, guys. This was okay. This was a bit painful and kind of confusing, but yeah, for more personal and accurate readings, you can reach out to me. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.